Have you ever sat down to write a winter beat and everything you play just feels flat and boring? You want that cosy, nostalgic winter vibe, but your melody feels too busy, too cold, or just not emotional enough. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about how to write warm, wintry melodies that feel like hot chocolate, old memories, or snowfall. Stick around, this one will change the way you write.
You're listening to the Lofi Music Academy podcast, your go-to space for all things lo-fi. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of lo-fi music production.
Hi, and welcome to the Lofi Music Academy podcast. I'm Spencer J, your guide through the chilled out, atmospheric world of lo-fi beats. In this episode, we're diving into something that's going to be really fun, and that's writing winter melodies. You know, those cozy, nostalgic little melodies that sound like warm blankets, hot drinks, and soft snowfall, all wrapped into one. If you've ever wondered how producers create that soft winter lo-fi magic, the kind that instantly puts you in a calm, reflective mood, this one's definitely for you. So grab your favourite drink, grab a notebook, and let's get into it. Before we talk about how to write winter melodies, let's talk about something really important, and that's why winter music hits kind of differently. Winter isn't just a season, it's a vibe. It's slower, it's quieter, it's reflective. There's a softness to everything, fewer leaves, fewer sounds, fewer colours, and the mood shows up in the music. Winter melodies tend to be a bit slower, more open, less busy, and full of, nostalgia. It's not about technical tricks, it's about emotion. Winter melodies feel like old memories. They feel like walking through the cold with a scarf on, or looking out of a fogged up window, or flipping through an old photo album. That's the kind of mood that we're trying to capture. One of the biggest secrets of winter and nostalgic melodies is that they don't move fast. They breathe, they take their time. If you listen to a lot of holiday classics or modern winter lo-fi playlists, you'll notice something. Melodies are often hold notes that are longer than usual, or they move one step at a time, almost like they're walking through the snow. Think about it, use small intervals, lots of held notes, gentle rises and falls. You don't need big leaps of flashy runs. In fact, those often break the winter lo-fi vibe. Instead, let your melody sit, hover, float about. Winter melodies just love space. And if your melody feels like a warm cup of cocoa, then you're definitely in the right ballpark and doing things right. Here's another trick. Winter melodies usually lean heavily on chord tones. Not all the time, but enough that the melody and harmony feel glued together, like they belong. Think of the notes in your chord, the root, third, fifth, and sometimes the seventh. Those notes already feel stable and warm, and using them in your melody automatically creates a sense of comfort. But here's the magic. When you occasionally step off of a chord tone, maybe to a second, a sixth, or a passing note, that tiny moment of tension creates a beautiful emotional pull. It's like a little sparkle of cold air in a warm room. You don't need to overdo it, but just those small moves can add a lot of feeling to your music. And if you want even more nostalgia, try using the minor third and the major sixth. Those intervals instantly add warmth and emotion. Another tip for creating winter-themed melodies is to tap into the sounds and moods that we've all grown up with. Now, you don't need to make it sound like a Christmas song unless you really want to, but drawing inspiration from those classic seasonal harmonies and melodic shapes can work wonders. Think bells, soft piano lines, simple glockenspiel style melodies, or gentle string pads behind the main idea. But the real secret, classic winter melodies often use a call and response idea, something like a short phrase that rises, followed by a simple phrase that falls. It's simple, it's familiar, and it feels comforting. And that's what winter lo-fi is all about, comfort. You're giving the listener a moment of calm. Here's something a lot of producers forget, and that's that silence is part of the melody, especially in winter lo-fi music. Think about snowfall, it's quiet. Think about sitting indoors while it's freezing outside. The world feels kind of muted. You can use that idea in your music. Let your melody rest, let it breathe. Leave little pockets of silence or soft gaps where the chords take over. Those empty spaces make your melody feel more reflective and emotional. And ironically, it makes the melody stronger because nothing is competing with it. Winter melodies feel sparse, but in a beautiful kind of way, like there's just enough for the listener to hold on to. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk briefly about the sound choices, because the same melody can feel totally different depending on the instrument that you're using. Winter melodies especially love soft pianos, electric pianos, gentle bells, warm synths, or music box tones, or even clean guitars with a tremolo. Now, there aren't any rules, but these textures already feel nostalgic. They carry the winter mood before you've even played a note. So if your melody is simple and warm and your sound choice supports it, then you're already onto a good thing. I hope this gave you some ideas and maybe even a spark of inspiration for your next winter lo-fi beat. Remember, winter melodies aren't about complexity. They're about emotion, space and warmth. Keep it simple, keep it soft, and most importantly, keep it cozy. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing, leaving a review, or sharing it with fellow music producers who might find it useful. Until next time, keep creating, stay inspired, and remember, it's all about the vibe. Take care and see you in the next episode.
Thanks for tuning in to the Lofi Music Academy podcast. If you're ready to start making lo-fi music and want to go even deeper, grab your free guide. Discover the 6 essential steps to create a release-ready lo-fi track from scratch. Whether you're using budget gear in your bedroom or a small home studio, this guide will help you get that polished, dreamy lo-fi sound you're after. Just go to www.lofimusicacademy.com. Until next time, keep creating those laid-back vibes, and don't forget to subscribe for more lo-fi tips and tricks.